Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Shawna Plant-Based Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and always remember, your health is your wealth. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so very thankful for all of you. I really love soup, so today I'm going to make black bean soup. So stay tuned for this video. I make soup a lot, but this is the first time I will be making black beans soup. So I'm not sure if it will be black, but what I'll do, I'll have some coconut milk that I put in there so that it can lighten up the color somewhat. And here are some of the ingredients that I have. I will put the list of ingredients in the description box below. Here I do have sweet potato, I have corn, I have thyme, I have pepper, I have carrot, I have pumpkin, yam, and I have other things that you'll see throughout the process. So guys, let's get it started. So I have my pot on. I have 6 cups of water, so I know like the stove, and the beans were cooked already. I had a pack of beans, so I just cooked them and I'll put it in the freezer. So I added 2 cups of beans, and I have some freshly made coconut milk, so I'll add 2 cups or 3 cups depending. And now I will add some fresh thyme, and I allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. Then I add the pumpkin and the carrot. So I'm going to now add my carrots, 2 carrots, and guys, I only add a small piece of pumpkin because when I realized I was about to cook, there was not enough pumpkin, but the soup will continue. So I'm just going to stir this, allow this to cook for about 5 minutes or until the pumpkins are cooked, and then I'll crush these. So checking in back on my pot, checking in on the pumpkin. I'm going to crush these. Dice and chop my veggies. So I have corn, I have sweet potato, I have butternut, Irish potato. So I'll add these to the pot. So I'll allow it to cook for 10 more minutes, then I'll add my dumpling. So now I'm going to add my dumplings, and you can't really have soup without dumplings. Well, for me, I love my dumplings, and these are going to be real small. I will make some spinners, what we call spinners, the long ones. And this is how we make the spinners. Put it in the pot. So now all the dumplings are in. I'm just gonna stir. And I love a lot of food. I'll take out the stem of the thyme. Take out all the stem. And I have my scotch bonnet. I have some local celery. And I have some fresh spring onions. So I'm gonna add these to the pot because I do love flavors and I want it to be flavorful. I'm just gonna stir. It's a lot of soup. So I have some veggie stock, soup stock, so I'm going to add it, probably add half of it to the pot. And I will stir, and then I'll taste it just to see. I know it probably needs some more salt, but not a lot of salt. So I'll allow this to cook for about probably 10 minutes, and then I'll check back on it. So this is a lot of soup. I will not put the lid on. I'll leave it to cook. Final black pea soup, looking very rich and yummy. And of course, the dumpling is on top, and the beans, the pumpkin, the butternuts, the corn. This will be very enjoyable. So guys, stay locked to my channel for more and more plant-based recipe. Thank you for viewing, thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing. Until next time, continue to eat healthy, stay healthy. Always remember, your health is your wealth.